Well, good morning, all my YouTube fishing friends. Out here just out of Yankeetown, boat ramps just around that way a little bit. Out with the second new kayak, the one that I'm hoping will be watertight in the color that I wanted. So, just out here fishing. It is Monday. I don't know what the date is. Towards the end of September, anyways. Or I mean, August. Just trying to see if I can catch some fish, and if I do,
I lost him.
No, I didn't. He was running at me. Come on, baby. This might be a snook. Got him on a shrimp. Oh, I did lose him. Rats. Cut me off. Too much junk on the bottom here. Got a shrimp out on this side of the boat. Got a hit. Doesn't feel real big or anything. Oh, danged old catfish. Wouldn't you know? Wouldn't you just know? Probably another catfish. Oh no, mangrove. Get a mangrove. Get a mangy. Hold still, mangy. You got a tough mouth. Alright, see ya. Got another little fish. Well, he feels a little better. Kind of fighting too. Might be a red. Be a redfish. Hard to say. Okay, we see him. Oh, Blackie. Hey, Blackie. Black drum. Destroyed that shrimpus. Alright, you're a cute little guy. See ya. Whoa, got a nice bite here. Nice fish. Big fish. On a pinfish. Ooh. That's a good one. I think it's going to be a big red. That's what I think. Anyway. What you is? Yeah, nice red. Oh, he felt bigger than that. He's a good little fighter. All right. Oh, I had you. There we go. Chunky guy. Get that hook out of you. See if I can measure you up here without losing you over the side. Well, well, actually, 26 and a half. Nice fish. That's a nice fish. Goodbye, nice fish. Okay, got a couple other lines out, but have this live target shrimp on this line. Got a good bite on it. Guessing it'll be a redfish. Nice one. These live target shrimp are great. I love them. They even catch cobia. Oh, it's a jack. Little jack, jumping jack. What'd you do with my bait, Jack? I'm mad at you. I'm trying to show off that live target shrimp. It's in your gullet. You really ate him. You really ate him. Ah. There you is, Hook. Alright. This might take a while. It's got a nice bite on the shrimp. Got a pinfish out over here. It's kind of getting ready to deploy the live target shrimp. This guy hit. Just came to this spot. Like a jack. Feels like one too. Is one. Alright. Jackie. Jackie, what are you talking about? Say please. Say it. You're not gonna say it, are you? Come on. No. Alright. Got another hit on a shrimp. I'm not sure what it is. Could be a small red. Could be. Oh man, I haven't caught a trout in a long time. Look at you, Trouty Trout. Oh, Trouty Trout. What do you know? A trout. That's my first trout, I think, this year. They just haven't been out here. Finally. Mr. Trouty Trout. He might almost be legal. There they go. Or he goes. Well, they're liking these shrimp today. Got another one. Little runt. Runt red. Here, runt. We need a runt red. He's a runt red. Body. Grow up.